Welcome to my channel, and today I will be teaching you how to turn on Bluetooth in Windows 10. Whether you want to use a pair of Bluetooth headphones, wirelessly connect to your phone, or transfer files, you need to know how to access Bluetooth on your PC, in addition to on your phone. Here's how to turn on Bluetooth in Windows 10. Step 1. Click the Windows Start icon, or press the Windows logo key to open the Start menu, and then select Settings. Step 2. In the Settings menu, select Devices, and then click on Bluetooth and Other Devices. Step 3. Switch the Bluetooth option to On. Your Windows 10 Bluetooth feature should now be active. The Bluetooth feature gives you the option to connect to a variety of Bluetooth-enabled devices. To connect to a discovered device, click on it from the list of discovered Bluetooth devices, and then select Connect. The link should get established quickly. There you have it. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to get video updates daily. Thank you and have a nice day.